Loki, just me getting scared by Animal Company epically. Oh, let's see. That's a pickaxe. How do we make a pickaxe? We're not popped off. Ha! Tell me why. Hi. Why you kill him? Why you kill him? He didn't do anything. Oh shit. No. Bro, my entire game just like wee. Why you kill him? He didn't do anything. Oh hell no. Stay away from me. Whoa, whoa. I'm currently on top of the mountain. Nice try, buddy. Bro tried eradicating me. Jump into the river, buddy. What I say? Jump into the river. Whee! He missed an oar. I might be a beginner. I'm a special type of. You. So much for monkey don't scare. Get back here. Whee! Right, there's only one more thing I can do. Last resort time. Get black! Get black! Handle? No, don't! Aw. All I might be dropping is sticks. Just about to drop this bros wave. Where's green? Hold hands, I'll find you. Bro, I legit can see you. You're grappling. I don't have ammo. I just have shotguns. I stole these. Yeah, that's what I thought. Go on, Black. Walk out. Walk out, Black. Walk out. I don't have ammo. I don't have a shotgun unlocked yet. I stole this. Oh, dang it. Who stole my guns? Give me my guns. Give me my guns back. Thank you. Yippee, I got my guns back. I missed you, guns. Though you may have no ammo, and I stole it from a player who just stopped joining the server. Whoa! Why not? Oh, no, black. Hulk hands. I know you're Hulk hands, aren't you? Oh! Wait, that's actually crazy. No. Gosh. Oh, actually, just go mining for experience. Bro, follow me. Bro. No. I can. Cyan, is that you? Bet, follow me. To the mines we go. Oh yeah, get some sticks. You're gonna need them. Also, get a backpack. Come on, we'll get backpacks together. Bet. You getting set up, bro? He's gonna give you a backpack in a minute here. Alright, bro. Bro. Cyan, where is he? Did he just rage quit? Oh, here he is. Cyan, bro. You got a hiccup. Look. It's some good loot. Also, let me get you a bag. Well, actually, I'm gonna get myself this. I need this for the sticks. Yeah, it's on. What? Wait. Oh yeah, it's a teleport bomb. What? Oh god. Yippee. Oh no. Nah, he will. But I'm fine with that. As long as I'm with Cyan. Wherever he goes, I'll follow him there. Take my ducky. Cyan! It's good. I'm about to die because somebody's gonna teleport me straight into the river. Sell it, Cyan! Somebody tried teleporting me. Well, well, well. Wait for me, Cyan. Oh, sure. If you could. I've only got sticks right now. Thank you. I use crowbar in Bone Lab. Thank you, bro. I gotta go help out my friend. I he's all the way in mines. There he is, bro. Look, you got a crowbar. Take this. Take this, adventurer. Adventurer, adventurer, come back. No, bro. Have this. Uh, I'm asking if my friend wants it right now. I don't think he has mic on. Bro, have a crowbar. Monkey. Oh, okay. So you gotta pick it up. So you gotta hold. Yeah. So basically, just take your bag by holding your back. Alright. So you know how you put on your bag? Alright. So you're gonna take off your bag. Press Y. Just shove as much as you can into your backpack. Hi. Don't kill me, buddy. I'm too new for this. I gotta run. Great. Astronomical loot right here. Hi. Monkey. I got almost 2,000. What yellow things? Oh, you don't need yellow things. There's a better way to do it. Alright, follow me to the mines and together we'll get some. Alright? Oh no, he's talking about a different yellow thing. Follow. Let's show him. Here, bro. I got a better way to get experience. I got a better way to get experience, bro. So instead of grinding for gold, he can't get gold with topaz, which is the first item here. So we're gonna venture into the mines together. Do you got a flashlight? Wait here, bro. Bro, wait here. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna get you a flashlight. All right? We're gonna venture together. Uh, got you, bro. Definitely a bit new. We can work with that. He's getting all of the good items. That's all he really needs. Don't die. I just need to buy him 3 flashlights. It's good. It is? Deku. Alright. Still gonna. What? Alright. But I have to drop this. Drop this. Boom this. We got it! Come on! Whoa! I got harmed by your pickaxe. Be careful about that. If I die, I can't. Oh, you just legit hit people. They don't have PvP on. That's all it means. Alright. Which way do you want to go? The horrifying way or that way? Alright. Either way, you're gonna get experience. Alright. Hey, bro. Do you think you can fight this guy? He's not a real monkey. Just hit him a million times with the pickaxe, okay? Do you think you got this? He's not a real monkey. So do you want to go this way or should we go the other way? He does not stand there. Once you get close enough to him, he's going to try to kill you. So do you want to go this way or the other way? The other way has a bigger guy with less health. Bet. Put this in your backpack for me. Grab it and press Y. Then you're gonna wanna just sort of, yeah. Alright, now press Y, get it, put it in your backpack. If you ever need something from your backpack, so we get it. Don't grab anything from my backpack yet. I need all this, including the ground. Oh, you have to hold it at the same time as you're putting it in. So one hand with the rocket in it, the other hand with the backpack. Oh, whatever. Alright, bro. Press Y. Press Y. Alright, whatever. That should work. Alright, ready? We're gonna run full charge at him, kill him. Alright, if we both die, we can get our loot. Go! How about now? Kill it, kill it, kill it! Jump around a bit. Alright, it's fast. Not fast enough, but it is fast. Let's go! Open that loot box. Oh, you smash it on the ground. Where'd it go? Oh, whatever. Alright, not this. This is not what we want. That's orange. What we want... Jeez, you hit me again. Careful, bro. Alright. What we want is being guarded by the dark. Go this way. Oh. Let's take this. This is what we need. Do you think you can carry a flashlight? Bro. Yeah, carry this for me. Alright. Point it over there. And we'll time when we can get past the monster, so don't go yet. That's the monster. Alright, let's go! Shit. Oh, shit. Bro, no! Bro? Where are you? Bro? He didn't just die. I'm calling shots. I gotta run. inside the flashlight. We can't get it back. Bro, this is gonna be a problem. We gotta get it. We gotta get past that. We were supposed to keep on going down that mine until we get past it. But that means we have to kill it. So here's a stick for you. Alright? And if you die, you can buy a new stick and come back, alright? I'll fight it with my fists. You ready? I'm gonna leave my backpack right here in case I die. You ready? Let's go. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with if I want be. Bitch, you gotta let me know, dude. Bro, I got a crowbar. You ready to kill this boss? In the end, you will have to take a bit of damage because we need to get your pickaxe if we're gonna get experience. Ready? Fight, big guy! He's dead! Bro! Get a stick. I killed big guy! Let's go! Now we gotta kill the mimic. And then we should be able to get some ore. No, and the mimic is not the one who's controlling the spider, but it is the one who pretends to be a gorilla. I've still got my backpack there, so we haven't lost anything, okay? It's okay, bro. All that really matters is that we get you something that'll help with your journey. Oh no, you need some special gems for that. Alright. He's gonna appear out of nowhere, ready? Shit, he's back. He's been ended. I'm gonna kill it. Yes, Got it in the bag. That's my bow right there. In your mouth, company. Bro! Oh, thank you so much. Let's get done with this. Who's this? Big Blue. Oh, hi, Big Blue. Alright. That's good. We got ammo. Up behind you. I don't know. We don't have enough time to ask questions. Let's go. Before we respawn. Crap. I'll get my backpack. You go get your stuff. You've got stuff too. Yeah? It's okay, bro. We still got crowbars. Coming. It's good, bro. Alright, take my crowbar. Alright. Wait, hold on. Come back. We need... Oh, no. I'm sorry, bro. They keep on respawning. Get back here. We can finish this off. I just need to get your pickaxe. Alright, bro. When you're here, come mine the purple gems with me. Not yet. Sure, I'm right here. Wait, actually, no, not yet. Alright, bro, I died. Pick up any sticks that I left in my backpack and kill it. Bet, I'm almost there. Alright. Big one or the small one? Alright, whatever. I think it's useful enough. Try to see if there's any loot boxes nearby you. Oof. Alright, I'm back. It's good. It's okay, bro. We can do this together, alright? Press Y on that. Yeah. Let's do this. Together, bro! Take that stick. Oh, well, it just despawned. Sorry, bro. We still have a chance to get the crowbar, though. Get it before it despawns. Jump! crowbar. I know he's built different. Alright, let's go. Beat it up. Alright. Keep walking. Just keep walking and I'll meet up with you, okay? I'm only worried about it. Yeah? Greetings. Oh, yes, it probably is. Alright. He just needs to keep walking. Don't worry about me, bro. You got this. Run. Oh, let's go. That's a crowbar. Ready to fight? Alright. What did I find? Spike cube. Kill it! Bro, where's your health at? Let's go! Alright, I think it's this way. Unless I'm, yeah, I'm listening. Alright, hold on. I left something. No, I didn't. Alright, never mind. Let's get back here. Alright, next time they spawns, kill him. Once he spawns and we kill him, then we can continue. He spawned! Bro, you gotta get the crowbar. He stays still at certain times. It's okay, bro. We're not that far apart right now. I just died too. The mimic respawned. Either way. Alright, how we gonna fight this dude? We tried everything. Alright, bro. The mimic's trying to attack us. Alright, here you go. Kill him! Eat him alive! Hold on to mimics! Alright, you get that box, I'll get this box. You just hold it and then press Y. Alright, you got a football. Alright, yeah, let's actually go really quick. Wait, do I have my backpack on me? Oh yeah, I do. Alright, let's go. No! It's a dead end. This is the end of the mines. Dude, I don't know, but free money if we survive. Hit its legs. Alright, can you camp my backpack? Make sure it doesn't despawn. Alright, let's run. We got everything that we can get. We'll split the funds 50-50. Oh yeah, bro. Alright. I think we got everything we needed. Let's go back, sell some. Alright. Ouchie. It isn't an arrow, it's more of a light. Oh, it is an arrow. It's a light arrow. Wait, did we? Oh, okay, there it is. We can't get those coins unless we actually buy them. That was the new update. But we can get experience. We can get experience without coins now. You know those purple things that were all over the mines? That's experience. Bet. Then we'll mine for. Sell anything that you think is gonna be valuable. Wait. I gotta sell first, bro. Otherwise, it's gonna sell everything. Ready? Oh no! Woo! Oh, you survived. Oh, what? Alright, now your turn. Sell something. I'm gonna pull out everything from my backpack that we need to sell. Not all of it. I'll choose what we're gonna sell. Number one, the sticks are freebie. We can't even sell them. So let's just put them in there anyways. Put all the sticks in there. Alright, we got all the sticks in. Hold on. I'm gonna sell this gem for some money. I mined this gem. Alright. Now let's go ahead and sell this. This won't get us any money. Alright, there we go. There should be 0. The grenade. We're gonna need that if we're gonna go further into the mines. Alright, my turn. Let's see here. Yeah, we have to go into the mines to get experience. That's their current. Alright. See you in a minute here, bro. I'm gonna sell some other stuff. Wait, I'm gonna need that crowbar. But you're a killer, and I'm your best friend. Think it's unfair. Yes, hope he comes back soon. Yo, what's up? Selling some ammo. Whoa! The grappler just despawned. Crap. Big flash. Oh, we're both getting the money because we're playing on a private-ish server. Whoa. Our grappler just despawned. I mean, sort of. Do you see anybody else here? I just hit 2,000. I don't know, but enter the password that you're going to want to use most. A password that you're going to remember. I mean, I guess sorta. I don't really know how the stash works. Oh, there we go. Now I know how the stash works. Let me reopen my password. You can change the password and put your. Bro, it just gave me a free backpack. The No. This is one of the. Bro, take this. This is yours now. Put it on your back, buddy. Well, fine. Also take this. They gave you this for free. Once you unlock your stash pass, you can put things inside of your monkey's hands over here, and it'll just sort of give you the stuff when you walk away from it without charging you. I'm still at the same amount of money. Alright, bro. You ready to go mining? Alright. Hold on. I'm gonna buy you something. Take this. This is a teleportation bomb. Put it in your back. Don't use it until it's dire. Alright, unzip the backpack. You gotta press the top button of your controller to unzip a backpack. Alright. Drop it. Oh crap. Don't throw it. Oh no. Bro, that cost 300 gems. Alright, whatever. Unzip your backpack and put this in then. Alright, so it's the top button of your controller to open the backpack, bottom button to close. Alright, there we go. The top button again. Alright, now put it on your back. Let me see if there's anything we need. Alright, bro. Do we need a treasure map? Crowbar? I don't even have the crowbar yet. Hold on. I've got the teleport bomb. I got the teleport bomb, the treasure map, the stick, the beginner backpack, flashlight, and the glow stick. Alright, bro. I have to leave. Alright. If you log off with your backpack on. And tomorrow join code CheeseVR at around 6-ish. I get a headache. But anyways, bro, keep your backpack on if you're gonna log off, so that'll keep your loot. Bye, bro. Yeah, just as long as you have your backpack on your back, you can take it off tomorrow.